morning, good afternoon, and good evening. It's Eric. Today, we plan to load in the automatic dripping machines and the oven with heating and cooling function with this big truck and deliver to our customers. Today is not the first day we load in them. In the past 2 days, last weekend, we already loaded many sets to our customers. Now what you see is the engineer loading the oven with heating and cooling machine. What a big view. See, these are the equipment that were to be loaded. Remember, in the video or my previous live stream, this area is for the installation of this equipment. And here is the third floor. If you remember, if you watched my previous videos, you will know that's 2 days ago there are full of equipment, but now it's almost empty because in the past 2 days we already loaded many trucks, big trucks, long trucks of this equipment to our customers. So today I will do a live stream and give you more information about this project. Thank you. Now we are loading the trucks with this equipment. What you see is the oven is heating and cooling press machine. We already loaded 5 trucks, in the past 2 days. So this is a 6th truck. Stick to my channel or page, I will give you more information.